Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over solving quadratics by factoring. So factoring is extremely useful for solving quadratic and higher equations. Factoring turns complicated problems into easy algebra 1 problems. Just be sure to follow steps. There are 3 steps. Step 1 is to make sure one side is equal to 0 by moving all terms away. That might already be done for you. Step 2 is factor the other side. Step 3 is set each factor or multiplier with the variable equal to 0 and solve those. Step 3 comes from the zero product property. That says when you multiply things to equal 0, at least one of the multipliers must be 0. So I told you a times b times c equals 0, then either a is 0, or b is 0, or c is 0, and then the other two can be anything. Alright, so the first one is to solve 2x squared minus 3x equals 20. If I told you to guess a number squared times 2, then minus 3 times number equals positive 20, it's almost impossible to guess. So follow the steps. Step 1 is make sure one side equals 0. I'm with 20 over by subtracting it. Then I'm a factor, check for GCF, there's none. 3 times means guess and check. For f, there's 2x and x. For L, it's 5 and 4. Can my outside inside make 3? Outside is 8, inside is 5. Can 8 and 5 make 3? Yes. I need a negative 8 and a positive 5. Then check the sign of L. Positive times negative is negative. We're good. Now we said each multiplier equals 0 because this times that equals 0. So 2x plus 5 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. To solve the first one, you subtract 5, divide by 2. To solve the second one, you add 4. So we have 2 answers here. Negative 5 halves, a fraction, and 4. And this is a good time to say that every quadratic has 2 answers. Usually they're both different. Every now and then it's a repeat answer. Here's a second example. 2x squared equals 50. A lot of kids only get one answer. You get it wrong. They say it's 5 because 5 squared is 25 times 2 is 50. 50 equals 50, that's true. But let's follow steps. So first equals 0, so I'm going to subtract 50. Then I'm going to factor. There's a GCF of 2. The inside is further factorable. That's the different squares. So it'll be x and 5. So it's going to be 2 parentheses, x, 5, 5, plus minus. And now we're fully factored. Set each factor with x, so not this 2, but with these two things, equal to 0. First one you solve by subtracting 5. Second one you solve by adding 5. Those are 2 answers. We have x equals negative 5 and positive 5. Because negative 5 squared is also positive 25 times 2 is 50. 50 equals 50, that's true. You can always check, but you don't have to. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye.